2-pack epoxy resin imitating black quartz granite with a sparkle. The surface you're working on must be level, as the material is self-leveling. What does this mean? If the surface is not level but tilted, you have a sloping position, and that is the position that the material will follow. Conditions should be warm. The epoxy should be warm. See manufacturer's instructions for temperatures. With this material there are no bubbles. And here we have the resin, and we're adding the glitter to the resin, and stir and mix that glitter into the resin for a couple of minutes. Then we add the hardener and stir for a couple of minutes, and then we're ready to use the material, and we're pouring it onto the surface that we're working. Make sure that it is mixed properly and you've weighed the material accurately, measured out accurately, and make sure that you're not working in cold conditions, as the material thickens up and is not workable, and not advised to work in cold or damp surfaces. Here we're using a foam roller, good quality foam roller. You could also use a brush, but obviously you know that once you use a brush, just same with the roller sleeve, once used and the epoxy's dried on it, you just throw it away. Here we're looking for evenly spreading out the material, which we're doing with the roller, and that is it. How quick, how simple, how effective is that finish? Suitable for kitchen tops, bar tops, tabletops. I like to offset the sample with a border, and now we are removing the masking tape from the sample board. Already you can see the epoxy resin, the high gloss finish with the glitter, which is quite effective. Now, I don't think you can get a more simpler, more effective finish. We're looking at it at different angles. In the light you can see the glitter sparkling just like the real granite quartz. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you'd like to attend the course to learn how to do this and other things at kudostraining.biz, please follow the instructions after this video. Thank you.